Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I've had a lot of questions about how do you make the tea. I like to make a tea, number one, that relaxes me. Number two, one that gives me positive energy. So here's how I'm gonna make this particular blend. I'm gonna take 2 sprigs of mint that I got out of my garden, and I'm gonna like rub it really hard. You can tell when you rub them really hard that the fragrances are being released. So I want that oil to be released into my tea. So I'm gonna put that in my tea pitcher. I'm also gonna add hot boiling water. Now here's where the magic begins. Carriage House Tea makes all kinds of tea. I love the hemp tea that I got there. So I'm gonna do half hemp, and I'm just gonna put it in my little tea thingamajiggy. If you don't have a tea thingamajiggy, you can put it in cheesecloth and tie it up. You can choose to make yourself a pitcher of tea, or you can choose to make just a cup of tea. Where's my little thing? Oh, there it is. So I'm gonna drop that down into my tea. And then I'm gonna use the lavender super blue. Wait a minute. No, I'm gonna use the papaya strawberry. That's what I'm gonna use, because I'm gonna also put some lemon in my tea as I drink it throughout the day. And I might put some blueberries in it. This is another little gadget that I've collected along the way. I don't remember where I got it. I got the other one at the Carriage House Tea Room. But I'm gonna put that in there, and I'm gonna let that steep. You can already smell the fragrances coming from it. While I have hot water in there, I'm gonna put some honey. Just a dab will do you. So that way it'll dissolve in that hot water for me. Listen, if you want to feel better, it's always good to do natural things like this. And I'll tell you another little secret. Turn on some Elvis Presley, Jailhouse Rock, and vacuum your house, or dust, or anything. Just makes you feel better. I've been listening to it all morning. Anyway, that's my tea mixture for the next couple days. I'll add water to this, and I'll let this steep for probably, I don't know, an hour. And then I'll take the tea out. Here's the other thing that Miss Mary taught us at the tea room. Don't squeeze on the actual tea leaves. When you finish your brewing of it, let me turn y'all around. Let me sit down. Let me have a sit down. When the tea finishes brewing, don't press the leaves, because it actually releases a lot of tannins into your tea. And those don't make you feel as good as if you just leave it just like it is. Good morning, Adam and Shirley. Good morning, Kathy. I love Elvis too. I really do. And if I start feeling, some kind of way, I'll put on "Going to a Party in the County Jail." Yeah, that's what I listen to. Or I'll listen to "In the Ghetto." What's your favorite Elvis song? I would love to know. I love them all. "Peace in the Valley" is probably my favorite of all times. But I like all of his music, and I really love that one, that Fever, the Fever song. I love that. So anyway, good morning from Parsons, Tennessee. Good morning, Teresa. Give the tea a try. You can order Miss Mary's tea, the Carriage House tea, online. Is there a website on here? You know what? I've looked it up on Google, so I know it's there. Carriage House Tea, Asheboro, North Carolina. Packaged in Asheboro, North Carolina. I'll leave that up long enough if y'all want to screenshot that. This is the lavender super blue. And then here's the back. Gives you some information about which tea you want to do. Mild with a distinctive floral perfume and slight pungency. Wonderful for helping you relax and de-stress. Who don't need this in their life? I'm just saying. Let me see what mine says. The hemp and the papaya strawberry Y'all screenshot that. You can read it later. This one says decadent summer sweet strawberry and papaya pieces found out on exceptionally smooth green tea. Caffeine is low, antioxidants is high, and yeah, it says all that on this little can. So I did half that and half hemp, and the hemp says brew 1 teaspoon of leaves, 1 cup of boiling water, steep for 4 to 7 minutes, remove tea leaves, and enjoy. The benefits: to obtain some CBD benefits, do all the above instructions, but add a few drops of either whole milk, cream, or an oil, like vegetable oil, coconut oil, or olive oil. This is what I'm doing the next couple of days. So when y'all see me with this, I got tea in here. This is yesterday's tea. I'm just saying, tea makes the body feel better, and you can design it forever how you want it. I will tell y'all this, for the hashtag Cutting Up crew members, we're going back to Seagrove and to Ashboro August 11th and 12th. I'm going to take you guys with me. Miss Mary is hosting a tea party, and I have got a tea party hat to wear that I ordered on the Amazon. And I'm going to have a blast. And Miss Mary is designing a cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, hashtag Cutting Up Crew tea blend that she's going to have for sale on her website. So I think that's really cool, because she asked me some real pointed questions about how I brew my tea, what flavors I like, what I want to get out of the tea. So she'll be blending it up, cooking it up, and keeping it real. Anyway, y'all have a happy, happy Thursday. I'm going to go meet my parents for brunch, and I don't know. I ain't sure what else I'm doing today. If there's peppers, I'm going to be doing some cowboy candy. And if there's not, I might just relax the body down after I get cleaned up in here. And then I'll cook supper. And I haven't even thought about it yet. I think I'm just going to lay out some hamburger and do like a hamburger casserole or something. Something easy and not too hot to heat up the kitchen and all. Anyway, tea. That's what we're talking about. Carriage House tea. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.